Want to download files from your DJI Mic 2 to your laptop, PC, Android, or iPhone? Here's how to transfer audio files from the transmitters into your computer. Before we begin, you should know that the only recordings that's stored inside your transmitters are the ones that you recorded using it as standalone. Which means you'll have to press the red recording button and you'll get the red LED, and now it's recording in the internal storage. Otherwise, you won't be able to find it unless you're using 32-bit float format. So anyway, to get the recordings out of your transmitter's internal storage and transfer them to your device, you can use the included high-speed Type-C to Type-A cable in case your computer or laptop has a Type-A port. But you can always use any other cable at your disposal. Just plug the Type-C interface into the Type-C port right above the recording button, and the other end into your computer or mobile. If you have an iPhone, then after plugging it in, just open Files, make sure you're in the Browse tab, and you'll find the no-name drive. This is your DJI Mic 2's internal storage. Click on the folder, and here you'll find all your recordings. Just select the ones you want to move over and transfer them into one of the internal folders. And on Android, just open your File Explorer, and right beside the internal storage, you should see a name called MSC Sample or any other USB drive. Similarly, just copy and move to any internal storage folder. And for PCs, it's the same. If you connect it to Windows, it may say USB drive has a problem, but don't tap on the pop-up. Instead, go to your File Explorer or this PC and open the USB drive. Here's all your recordings. And for Mac devices, you simply need to plug it in and a drive called No Name will pop up. And that's how you get your recordings on your Mac. So go ahead and copy those recordings. After you have done copying, you can simply delete everything inside the DJI recording folder to free up its storage. And this covers everything you need to know. If you found this useful, let us know, and I'll see you around.